I'm David Tyrrell from SGS. SGS have made a strategic decision to grow their commissioning capability globally, and as part of that I'm in Asia this week and next week to promote our commissioning capability and our service delivery to the data center world. We also are doing the same thing in Europe and across North and South America and the Middle East, and it's all about supporting the rapid growth in data center construction, and we do the commissioning and quality for those data centers. Strategically, we've set up a dedicated department to support commissioning in data centers. We've identified some skilled resources and put structures in place that we have a dedicated centre of excellence globally. And with that centre of excellence, we're dissipating information and training up local affiliates in each country and each region to meet that demand, supported by the central organisation. We've also developed a complete digital commissioning process where we do the pre-planning, structure our commissioning delivery in line with the programme need, and link everything digitally, electronically, from the test scripts all the way through to the commissioning stages, the 5 stages of commissioning, until we hand over to the client. It's all done digitally with complete visibility globally, with digital twin, as it's called, where what's happening on the site is seen wherever that main client may be. If they're headquartered in Europe or in Asia, they can see the progress of the data center, and we're championing that as a process to add speed and delivery capability to data centers. I thought the crowd was fantastic. I thought the event was fantastic, and really appreciate the opportunity to be here and to speak yesterday. The crowd themselves were very open and very willing to take on new ideas and see new ideas, and what we bring is new and market leading, in a sense that I don't think many others are doing a digital commissioning handover of data centers. Everyone that heard the story wanted to do business with us, so I see it as very positive and very welcomed by everyone we spoke with in the audience. So it was a positive ordeal, and we expect to grow our business significantly because of our trip here and what we plan to support to our clients.